Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of crypto mining, a topic that's gaining traction and sparking curiosity among tech enthusiasts and newcomers alike. If you've ever wondered how cryptocurrencies are created and what role mining plays in this process, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. Crypto mining is the process by which transactions are verified and added to the public ledger, known as the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with cryptocurrency. This not only secures the network, but also introduces new coins into circulation. It's a win-win. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I get started? First, you'll need to choose the right cryptocurrency to mine. Bitcoin is the most well-known, but there are many others like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Monero that might be more accessible for beginners. Each has its own mining requirements and potential profitability, so do your research. Once you've selected a cryptocurrency, the next step is to set up your mining hardware. You can either invest in specialized mining rigs or use your existing computer. While dedicated hardware can be more efficient, starting with what you have is perfectly fine for beginners. Just keep in mind that mining can be resource intensive, so ensure your setup can handle the workload. After your hardware is ready, you'll need to choose a mining pool. Mining on your own can be challenging due to the high competition, so joining a pool allows you to combine your resources with other miners. This increases your chances of earning rewards, which are then distributed among the pool members based on their contributions. Now, let's talk about software. You'll need mining software that's compatible with your chosen cryptocurrency and hardware. There are many options available, so take the time to find one that suits your needs. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to monitor your mining progress and earnings through the software interface. As you embark on your mining journey, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto space. The technology is constantly evolving, and new coins and mining methods are emerging all the time. Engaging with online communities, following reputable news sources, and participating in forums can provide valuable insights and tips. In conclusion, crypto mining can be an exciting venture, whether you're looking to earn some extra income or simply want to learn more about the technology behind cryptocurrencies. Remember to start small, do your research, and enjoy the process. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech insights and tutorials. Happy mining!